Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets and matching settings so Keyer behaves predictably. Import your green screen footage and the background image or video into the library, then create a 16:9 project that matches frame rate and resolution. Drag the background onto the timeline, then place your green screen clip directly above it on a higher track. Once done, skim the clip to identify problem frames. This helps you target spill and shadows early and makes the next steps faster and more precise. You now apply the Keyer effect and begin refining the matte because automatic removal rarely nails every edge. Add effects keying Keyer to the clip, then use sample color if the green varies. Adjust strength and edge distance to tighten edges, and use fill holes for small transparency gaps. If the background shows through at borders, create a draw mask to isolate the subject and feather the mask slightly. Make sure to toggle cache or render short sections to preview subtle changes in motion. Finish by composing and matching so the shot looks natural, then export. Position and scale the background under the keyed clip, and use color correction to balance exposure, temperature, and contrast so the subject blends. Once satisfied, render the timeline and export with your desired codec and bitrate. If you see a green halo or edge fringing, use Keyer's spill suppression and sample nearby neutral tones or slightly increase edge softness. This often removes residual green without harming fine details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.